It's Joe from American Trucks, and in this video, we're going over the Husky custom molded front and rear mudguards fitting all 19 and newer Ram 1500s. Now, this is gonna be a great mod for you if you're looking to get a little bit of extra protection from debris thrown up by the tire with a set of budget-friendly yet still custom molded mudguards. So what are these made out of? And that is going to be a very durable, impact-resistant thermoplastic that's designed to take a hit for your paint. They have a really nice matte black finish, which looks perfect on the side of the 19 Ram. It matches all the black trim really nicely, and I think it integrates really well with this plastic trim piece right here. This kit also includes a nice little bit of paint protection film. It's made by 3M. It sits right in between this mudguard and where it rides on the paint to prevent any unwanted rubbing. After all, the whole idea here is to protect your paint, and this kit goes the extra mile to include that. As long as you have no crazy negative offset going on, these will cover pretty much the entire tread width, and they'll do a good job at catching anything that's flung up. Pricing for the kit, and this is going to include all four corners, it's gonna drop in right around 80 bucks, which in my opinion is a very, very small price to pay for what these are going to give you. If you're looking to preserve your paint in any way, you're looking to keep your truck for the long haul, this is definitely a good buy. Before we move on to the install, I do want to make a couple of quick notes here. This is designed to fit the 2019 redesigned 5th Gen Ram. So if you have a 2019 Classic, this will not fit on your truck, but there are other options available from Husky that do. Secondly, there's two versions of these mudguards available. One for trucks without the fender flare, as you can see right here, and one's designed for trucks with the factory fender flare. Make sure you pick the right one before you pull the trigger on a set of these. Install here is going to be really simple. I'm going to give it an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should take you at most an hour to get all 4 sides done. Now, there are no modifications required. There is a little bit of optional drilling. If you don't want to go that route, the kit does include some 3M double-sided tape for you. But without any further ado, let me show you what tools you'll need and how it's done. Tools you'll absolutely need for this install will include a ratchet and 8mm socket. Now, not pictured here will be cleaning supplies. You want to make sure your truck is nice and clean to make sure the adhesive sticks really well. Conversely, you can always hard mount this. If so, you'll need a drill, 1/8" drill bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So before we get started here, one thing I do want to mention is this sort of factory mudguard that's on there right now, we're not removing this. Our Husky guards are going to go right around it and basically incorporate into that. However, we do have to remove some hardware out of it to make room for our new mudguards. We're going to grab our ratchet and the 8mm socket to do so. And we are going to be reusing this hardware, so keep it handy. We're going to have to remove that bottom one, this one. And lastly, the one at the top. Now that we have the hardware out, we're just about ready to apply our new mudguards. Before we do, we got to drop in our paint protection film. It's basically going to go onto this edge right here and straight up, just to protect this small area right here. Now, in our case, I'm just going to drop it on. In your case, you want to make sure this area is nice and clean. Some isopropyl alcohol would probably do you really well right here. Now, you're also going to want to clean sort of the fender liner area. Basically, this side of the mudguard is going to attach with 3M double-sided tape. Once you have that clean, you can peel off the backing, and this is just going to go right over top of that factory mudguard. And to finish the install, we're just going to reinstall that factory hardware. Now, if you're not comfortable with that 3M tape, like I said earlier, you can drill and hard mount the other side of this. And here's the hardware you would use. You can see we have a small threaded clip right here. All you do is drill an 1/8 inch hole, put that threaded clip over it, and then you can run in this Phillips head screw to secure the other side. But with all that done, we can move on to the front. The front is gonna be the same process. We're gonna remove these 3 8mm screws. Now we're gonna clean up the area a little bit, apply our paint protection, and reinstall. Don't forget to peel off the backing for the 3M double-sided tape and clean off the area it's gonna stick to. Then you can drop that in place and tighten it down using the 8mm screws. Now that you have the driver's side done, you're just gonna repeat the same exact process over on the passenger side. But that's gonna do it for my review and install of the Husky custom molded front and rear mudguards fitting all 19 and newer Ram 1500s. Thank you for watching. Keep it right here at American Trucks for all things Ram.